sharing filters. Okay, the name itself is saying guys, sharing filter. So what does it mean? Sharing filter is nothing but which is helpful to redistribute. It means to say reusability of the filters across the worksheets. Okay, yeah. So let's see how we can utilize this and how we can implement this as well. Okay, here we go. Let's say I have a data source. Fine. You have some Excel. You have a worksheet. Fine. Guys, where we used to apply the filter in general? Tell me. Let's say I would like to apply filter on segment. See, we already having a filter here, isn't it? Let me remove this. Fine. Where we do apply a filter, look at this. We will apply a filter over here, isn't it? Now, for example, let's say I would like to have consumer and corporate in my report. Fine. So you have only consumer related as well as the corporate related. Fine, you have a filter, isn't it? Now, select that particular filter. What is that? Apply to. So what type, how many types of worksheets you have? I would say how many types of filter? This filter apply to what? All using this data source or only this worksheet? But as I mentioned, you have three types of sheets, guys. Okay, what is that? You have three types of sheets, three types of filters. That is all using the data source. Look at this. As I mentioned, okay, all using the data source, only this worksheet, and how about the another one? Selected worksheets. Okay, but why this option is missing? Selected worksheet, isn't it? Because you have only one worksheet here. That is the reason it is not showing. If I go ahead with another sheet, okay, for example, look at this. Okay, now look at this in sample sheet level. Now what happened? See, selected worksheets. So this selected worksheets will come in picture whenever you have multiple worksheets. If you have only a single worksheet, this never come in picture. Okay, so this is one. So how many types of filters we have? Sharing filter level. Again, we have three types of filters. One is selected worksheet. Selected worksheet in sense, here we go. Look at this. So which means on the specific one. Now look at this. Apply to worksheet. Selected worksheet, which means you are going to choose on which worksheet this filter is supposed to applicable, like that. Okay. Now look at this. Let's say I have selected to sheet applied to be sheet 2. Now look at this. Sheet 2. Look at the iconic representation. Look at the iconic difference. See. Okay. Which means this is the sharing filter. This is the icon for the sharing filter. Okay, on the left side what you are seeing here, right? That is what sharing filter. Okay. So now so far what we have done, we have applied this worksheet to the individual worksheet as well as to the sharing, to distribute it to the other worksheet. That is what we have did, right? You know what, guys? Look at this. Select, right click. What is this? It is supposed to apply to all the worksheets. It is supposed to applicable to all the worksheets which are dependent on this data source. So if that is the case, I am going to use this one. Now look at this. See, look at the iconic. Icon has been changed. Look at this. If I use selected worksheet, okay. See, the icon was different. Look at this. Okay. Now look at this. Look at the icon. The icon was different, isn't it? Now, when I turn it into apply to all the using this data source, look at the icon. Which means now this filter is applied. Now look at it. What happened? Now if I fill in category, what happened? Look at this. This filter is coming in picture automatically. isn't it? Now look at this. When I choose segment, what will happen? Filter is applied here. See, only the filter, but there is supposed to one more value, isn't it? So now this filter is going to applicable on all the worksheet which are dependent on this data source. Okay. So this is what, guys? This is what? Sharing filters, where we can reuse them n number of times, which are respective to the selected worksheets, which are respective to the individual worksheets, or which are dependent on the total data source. So this is the beauty of a sharing filter again. Okay. So now you can ask me a question. If I have multiple data sources, that's fine. We can apply to the respective data source. That is not an issue. Okay, absolutely. Okay, there is no limitation at all. Okay, this is purely depends upon your need basis. Okay. See, this kind of a sharing filters, you do have it in, even in traditional tools also, like Business Objects, Cognos, MicroStrategy as well. But I can say like this is not quite, in Tableau it is quite easy, I can say. Even in traditional tools also it is easy, I cannot deny that. But the usage wise and everything is a bit simplified at a Tableau level. Okay. Exactly, it's a good point. Data source filter, you are filtering at a data source level itself, right? Which
Yeah.
means before retrieving the data into your worksheet, you have applied a filter, isn't it?
Mm. Yeah.
But here, it is not like that. The data has been retrieved into your worksheet, but on top of it, it is going to applicable on the all the worksheets, whatever you are going to use, okay, which are dependent on this data source. And it is quite similar to all the, data source filter, but not exactly, because it is retrieving the data, but somewhere around you are applying a filter here, right? Which is what you are specifically mentioning that it has to apply at data source level, right?
Mm.
So which means this is applying on the worksheet level only, but not at the data source level, because you are applying on top of the worksheet at one point of time, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that is the reason. So indirectly, that is what you have a thin line here.